Hey there, my name is Eric and today we are having a look at the Sideconnect. The Sideconnect is one of Micronit's chip holders for microfluidics. We will have a detailed look at how to assemble it and what's the purpose of the different tools and parts. Let's jump right in. These are the items you need. The first is an assembly tool. You'll need a screwdriver, some tubing and ferrules, a tube cutter, a mounting frame, a chip, and the Sideconnect itself. The Sideconnect consists of several parts. This would be 4 screws, 2 metal plates, and 3 body parts. For assembly, we start by taking the assembly tool. You don't actually need this part, but it serves like a third hand, which makes it easy to hold the pieces in place and click them together. Place the first part of the holder on the assembly tool and place the chip in it. The chip should sit between the 2 side walls. It does not matter if you place the chip with the fluids flowing to the left or if it would be flowing to the right. The holder is symmetrical in that direction. For some holders, it is important that you place the chip with the reading side up, such that you can read the Micronit logo or other text. Now place the 2 side parts of the holder next to it and with the open slit pointing up. We can see now where the tubing should be connected. In this case, we have a chip with 3 inlets and 1 outlet. Place the ferrules in the spots for all these inlets and outlets. The ferrules are placed on the side of the chip and with a wide opening going in first. Push the ferrule in. Screw one side to the main body part. Make sure the chip is placed well in the holder. Screw the other side to the main part. The holder can be connected to the mounting frame to make handling easier. It is possible to place several holders on the mounting frame. The mounting frame has a standard titer plate size and fits nicely under microscopes. To connect the holders to other equipment in your lab, take the tubing and the tube cutter. Cut the tubing in pieces long enough to connect the Sideconnect to reach other equipment. Do not make them too long, because the longer the tubing, the more pressure is lost to squeezing the fluid through. Tubing can also be cut with a sharp knife or scissors. However, you might end up with a cut that is not straight or deformed tubing. The tube cutter limits these risks. Press the tubing in the holders. They should be a bit stuck in the ferrules. Push the metal plates in the 2 slits and the holder is ready to be used. The Sideconnect, there you have it. It's available in different shapes and sizes. Below you find links to our web store with more information. Now I would like to hear about your experience with this holder, so leave a comment or send us a message. See you in the next video.